required by law to self-isolate. Do not visit stores, family or friends. Everyone should stay
Not on TV yet.
This was a message from the Canadian National Public Alert System. We now return to our regular programming.
TV's next. TV. Something on the TV.
No ha de tener descendencia 100% mexicana. El señor también ha de
And there's nothing on the TV.
una descendencia de otros países.
For Ontario, at 2:08 p.m., March 27th, 2020, effective until 2:15
Su
p.m.
hermana, la señora Luisa. No.
Uh-oh.
La señora, no, para nada. Nada más que sus lentes de fondo de botella.
$99 plus eligible custom members receive
Nothing on broadcast.
Select what 14 days.
Oh, there's the broadcast.
Stores. Tell your friends. Everyone should stay home to stop the spread. Learn more at this website, www.ontario.ca/page/2019 novel coronavirus.
Why is it in 4x3? How about Dr. Phil? This is a Canadian.